I hope you all guys doing well. It's Pranshu back with another video, and this video might something different. It's not the trade recap, it's not the any ICD concept. It's about the brutal truth which actually holding you become an profitable day trader. You might be seen in the thumbnail, guys, stop making money through trading. So what I mean by stop making money through trading, guys, it might sounds crazy because when I tell you to stop making money in day trading, because that's the whole point. You do trading just to make money. Even I do trading to make money. So why I'm telling you to stop making money through trading, guys? First of all, let me ask you one question, guys, to you. So why you started day trading? Maybe you can pause this video and ask this question to yourself. Why you started day trading? What you wanna accomplish with the day trading? Maybe you want to be a successful person in your life. You wanna accomplish your dreams. Just you wanna retire your parents, or maybe you are not happy with your current situation. Maybe you are wanna quit your job, or either your university. You wanna quit that stuff, and maybe you are in debt. You wanna pay your debt. That's the common issues we all facing them. And deep dive, I know guys, you are not happy with your life. That's why you choose trading to become a successful person in your life, so that you can enjoy your rest of your life and rest of your future peacefully. That's the whole point. Now the thing is why I'm asking you that's the brutal questions about your past and your life, the life that you are living. Because the truth is, guys, this is the things which actually holding you back to become a profitable trader. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is the only thing. You have dream in your head to become retire your parents, to creating generational wealth, to pay your debt, to quit your 9 to 5 job, or either quit your college, to prove all them people wrong who initially doubt on you, to prove this world that you are born for something, and you put it all that things in your head which actually affect you to become a profitable day trader. We all have dreams. You have dreams, I have dreams. We all want to accomplish that. But the thing is, why only 1% people accomplish their dream and 99% of people can't accomplish their dreams? If I'm talking about the day trading, guys, when you do trading, you have all that stuff in your head. You wanna retire your parents, you wanna quit your job, you wanna do this and that, prove this world wrong. Even that's great. That's great because that help you to become grinding. That's help you to become self-motivated. But in trading, guys, this is the actually thing which holding you back. And the reason why I'm telling you this, because trading is something different kind of business. Trading is actually not the business in which you have to be grinding. You have to be like sit 12 hours in a day in front of chart and grinding, watching entries. It's kind of something different kind of work. It's a different kind of business. In other business, we have to grinding all day, even 12 hours a day in front of our desk and watching that your sales, your calls and meeting, all that stuff. Trading is completely different from all that shit. I am telling this because I faced all that issue in my life. And finally, from all that issues, I am on the stage. I'm successfully making money through day trading. I guarantee you, you make most amount of money when you actually don't give a fuck about trading. Because in your head, you put it all that garbage in your head, like you have to retire your parents, you have to quit your job, you have to pay your installment, you have to pay your debts, you have to prove all this world wrong. And even on the social media, you're watching like someone make money to be grinding at the desk. If you wanna make money, you wanna successful in life, you have to be grinding in the whole nights. You have to be grinding. Even that not completely wrong. That's even right. But in trading, when you are in learning phase, that's completely right thing to being grinding. But all this thing in your head push you to make decision fast, to do hard work. But in trading is not like that type of business model, because it tell you to rush the process, to do hard work, and just doing something in trading just to make money. Why you sitting patiently? You have to do something, you have to pay your bills, and which cause you to taking decision. And this is a stage where 99% of people fail in trading just because they can't figure out what to do. If they're sitting patiently in the market, their head constantly remind them that you are not doing something, you have to do something, you have to do something for your future. Like, he's the guy, he bought Lamborghini at 90. What you are doing? If you don't get your entry model, just change your strategy. You need to shift the strategy to strategy, all that shit. And you feel like you have to do something, you have to do something. But in trading, guys, you have to become patient. Do you ever think all that big influencers like trading is a game of patience, trading is a game of patience? Do you ever thought about it? Like what it mean by trading is completely game of patience? At this stage, after giving 2 years in the market, now I'm understanding what's actual patience meaning. The meaning of patience is, guys, you if you don't get the entry, if you don't get the entry model with your edge, with your following strategy, with your model, you have to sit on your fucking ass and watch the market for even weeks and months. If you don't get the entry, it doesn't mean your model is wrong. You have to fucking believe on yourself and being patient in the market and let the market represent your setup in front of you. That's actually patience meaning in the markets. And in trading, if you don't have longevity mindset, you never become success. I guarantee you guys, you will never become success if you don't have that longevity mindset to become profitable in the day trading. I will talk about it. So first of all, let's complete our topic of patience. Now the thing is, guys, you maybe think like, oh, okay, I should be patient, but how to become patient in the market? I tell you, you never become patient in the market. The reason why? Because you have all that things in your head to pay your bills, to pay your installment, to pay your car installment and your debt and quitting your job, quitting your college. First of all, you have to get out all this stuff from your head, because as long as all that stuff you put in your head, it become push you to take rational decision, to take rush the process. And like if I got thought like, oh, I'm not doing anything, I should take decision, I should either pressing buy or sell button. I don't get my model, but still I pressing the buttons, I rush the process, and it causes me a loss. I lost a funded account, and after everything, it just caused me more financial problems. I lost one more account. Whose loss is this? It's mine loss, guys, because I rushed the process. I didn't patient in the market. I thought like I have to pay my installment. I have to prove all that fucking bullshit people's wrong. And this mindset caused you to take rational decision, and this rational decision caused you more problem, more financial problems. Your psychology gonna fucked up, guys. You self-doubt on yourself, guys. This is another account I blow on myself, and you gonna start self-doubting on yourself, which leads negative thoughts, and you lost your trajectory. Now you are again weak, you lost your money, you self-doubt in yourself, your mind is already fucked up. You think like day trading not gonna work for you, and you quit trading. Here why 90% people fail, just because they don't have patience, they don't have balls to sit in front of market for a week. If they don't get their edge, you don't have to take any trade, because I guarantee making money trading is not hard, guys. Either you have to long that shit or short. There's 50% chances you can make money. But the man who is successful in day trading, holding the profit is the important thing, guys. If you don't have balls, if you don't have patience, you can lose all the fucking money in a second. Because it's happened with me. That's why I'm telling you. I clear 50k funded. And I feel like, oh, I cracked the code. I'm top of the world. I buy another 5 account and I copy trade on them. Even in the rough P, I took entry. I copy all that 5 account and I was lose all that money, just because lack of patience, because I didn't sit on my fucking ass to wait for my setup, to wait for my edge. Let the market represent your setup in front of you. That's why I'm telling you in every video, guys. This is my same line. Let the market represent your setup in front of you. Let it scream in front of you. And then you should like, okay, it's look cool. We have inversion, we have sell side, we have SMTs. Buy side has been resting. I should long this, and then you're gonna take it. Unless and until you never become profitable, if you can't get that thought out from your head. Now you maybe feel like, okay, Pransh, now I get my point. I am lack of patience, and now I actually get that like all that shit actually affect my day trading, and that's the whole point. You are right. So how can I improve as a trader? How can I get out from this fucking mental barrier in my head, which I created by myself? How can I get out from this? Listen, from today, stop thinking about all that bullshit people's to all about your installments, your debts, your 9 to 5, your dreams of whatever, retiring your parents. Get out all that thoughts from your head, so that after that you can clearly think about what market showing you, what actually happened in the market, guys. Then accept never gonna make money in like fucking months and even weeks. You have to being patient in the market. So just be an observer, guys, what market is showing you. Start paper trading, or even you buy an account. Just don't give a fuck shit about your PNL, either you green or loss. Just finding your edge and try to learn from the markets, guys. We are here, we are a learner. Accept it. You are not the mastermind. Try to learn from the market. Little things, even note on your notebook, even journal it, and try to learn everything from the markets. Because price action is a language, is a kind of language. You have to learn them. We make mistake, we all make mistake, even I do mistake, even big influencer make mistake, even you made mistake. The thing is, how can we improve as a trader? from our mistakes, from learning our mistakes. For next 1 month, apply this thing. Accept the truth. You don't want money. You just want to become a learner. You just want to learn the price action. Price action is a language in itself. It's a language of the market. You have to first learn the price action. Then you make money. Money is the byproduct. If you learn in price action, you will get the money. Don't focus on the money. You just want to jump and skip the learning phase. You will never gonna make money, guys. Zoom out. Zoom out. You are so zoomed in your life. You focus on making quick money and go on a trip on next weekend. Your life not gonna end in couple months. You have literally years to live your life. So don't be attracted by all that flashy things. Just actually focus on the process. Don't try to quit the learning phase. You have to learning the price action, and if you master the price action, money will definitely comes to you. You are going to money, and if you learning price action, money comes to you, because actual good trader never focus on making money. He actually focus on, did he follow his rule? If yes, money is worth it. It's money, it's your money. If you don't follow your rules and still make money, this money it's not your, it's market money. And by the time market will take away that money from you. Even today, guys, let me give you today's example. Today market, I don't have clue where market gonna supposed to go, because I have either buy conviction, even selling conviction, both of the convictions. So I decided myself, today I am just gonna observe the market, what it gonna show me, and I didn't place any trade. And after that, I'm going on Twitter like everyone, bang, bang, I make money, I make 10K, I make 5 band. I don't care. That's the actual discipline, that's the actual consistency. If you don't get your edge, if you don't confident where market gonna supposed to go, you don't take any trade. You just have to sitting patiently in the market and watching the price action, learning the price action, what price action gonna teach you. From next couple of month, like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, if you constantly repeat this process, like learning price action, observing the market, what price action gonna show you, what your conviction before the pre-market and what's your post-market thoughts, and write all that shit. Within couple of months, you will get your edge, you will get self-confident, and you will start become consistently following your edge. You will see progress in yourself. Trading is just the work done of an hour and 2 hour, and after that, you enjoying your day is the most important thing. Just because if rest of your day you are just thinking about what market gonna do tomorrow, what I did yesterday, oh, what I did today, did I lost, did I, oh, I should be like that, I should doing that, and what market gonna supposed to do tomorrow. You're just thinking about that. Again, you creating mental barrier for yourself. I'm gonna bang tomorrow. Don't give fuck shit about tomorrow. We'll see what gonna happen tomorrow an hour before the market open. That's called pre-market analysis. If market showing us any opportunity, we'll react on them and either loss or win. That's another day in the office. But please not try to skipping the learning process, guys. Even if you want to become doctor, you have to study for like 5 to 6 years. If you want to become a lawyer, you have to study for 8 years, 9 years, even the 10 years sometimes. So you want, trading is also business in itself. So you have to first learner. You have to learn the price action. Don't try to skip this part. And if you do this, you know what gonna happen and you never become success in trading. And that's the whole point why I'm making this video, just because as a human being we create mental barrier in your head and we don't even know about it. And if you really get something from this video, guys, apply in your life, because if you apply this thing after a couple of months, you see success in your life, and you didn't apply in your life become stuck at the same place where you are today after the 5 month, even the year. If you just here to make quick money, market will gonna humble you in a second. So just focus on your system and focus on longevity mindset. You don't here to become a quick profitable trader. You are here just to learning price action to sharpen your sword for long run. I hope you all guys get something from this video, and if you really get something from this video, please apply all that things in your life. Don't do like and comment, guys. Apply this thing in your life. That's all I want. If I'm success to make one change in yourself, that's what all I need, guys. So peace out.